How can we get Ollama on our computer and set it up? Well, we can find it on ollama.com. We click this button here and simply download it. I suggest disabling ad blockers or shields. I'm downloading it for Windows. In this case, they'll provide us with a nearly 1 GB executable import. If you want Ollama notifications, you can enter your email address here. If you're using Mac, Linux, or another OS, just select your model or operating system. And from there, you can obtain Ollama. As I mentioned, it works well on Linux. There we have it. So we just open this setup file and proceed with the installation. We'll need to wait a bit. Keep in mind it's a rather large file. That's normal for AI software. Local AI has many advantages, like the fact that we'll have private data and they won't be bothering us with it. But of course, AI models are quite resource intensive running them locally. I mean, we need lots of power, storage, and so on. So we'll just have to wait. Once you see it's closed, what we do is open the terminal, the command prompt, and we type Ollama here. As you can see, Ollama is now fully on our computer. It tells us, well, as you see, start Ollama if we type serve. And then we have the section for, viewing the list of models. So we're going to type Ollama PS. To see the list of models, and as you can see, we don't have any models. That's because we need to download them. To do that, we just go to the Ollama website and we go to models here. Right now, they don't seem to have the library tab. But if we put a slash, we change this serve to library, it's the same thing, okay? Here we have the models and such. It's important to note we can sort them by popularity, okay? Again, by different tools and features. But importantly, let's say we want the DEEPSEEK-R1, right? We know it's really good. Here they tell us it's 4.7 GB. That's crucial to keep in mind, okay? We also have other models, like the 7 billion parameter one, the 8 billion, or the 671 billion one. Got it? Obviously, each has its own size. A 713 GB model might be overkill, don't you think? So let's go for a standard one. We're testing, so let's pick the 1.5. See, they give us the code right here. Let's paste it. We'll delete this. Paste. Hi, Marin. DEEPSEEK-R1 1.5 billion parameters. It'll start pulling now, okay? The pull is another code we have here. If I find it, there it is. Pull. A pull means it's going to put the model into our computer, okay? So once it's pulled, it'll start. We'll wait, and then we'll be ready, alright? Now let's write to DeepSeek. I'll say, introduce yourself. It replies, hello, I'm DeepSeek-R1, an artificial intelligence. Okay, I've told it to translate Spanish. We can chat here. Got it? DeepSeek, give me a number between 1 and 100, for example. Let's see, how about 47, for instance? Well, as I mentioned, this one has 1.5 billion parameters. Don't expect it to work flawless. But this is how we can access any model, okay? Alright? Any model they've given us here. Llama, DeepSeek-R1, PHI-4, Mistral, and others. If we want to remove a model for any reason, we'd write Llama RM, okay? And then the model name, got it? I'm saying this in case you want to remove it after testing. So, yeah, it's that simple.